Here's a quick look at how to smoke 321 St. Louis style ribs. You could do these with baby back ribs also. First, just season them however you'd like. Use about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of dry barbecue rub all over. You don't have to use a binder, but you could use mustard or a little olive oil to help the seasoning stick. The first 3 hours, the ribs are going to smoke directly on the grill grates at 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Then it's time to wrap the ribs in foil and smoke them again. So we're not just going to put them in foil. We're going to make a little blend of seasonings and sauces to make them really delicious and get so tender and juicy and flavorful inside. Add some butter, honey, barbecue sauce, and a little more barbecue rub. Each rack of ribs is going to be cooked separately in its own foil pack, and you want to make sure that you place it so the meaty side of the ribs is facing down. So just add both of them to the foil. Seal up all of the edges, and then I like to transfer them to a large tray at this point. It's just easier to take them on and off the grill as they're smoking. So for the final hour at 225 degrees Fahrenheit, here's what we're gonna do. You're gonna take the ribs off of the smoker and you're gonna open up that foil, still use your baking sheet, and then you're gonna flip them over, and to the outside, you can add an extra 1 tablespoon of barbecue sauce. Just brush it right on the top of the ribs. Now, yours may be so juicy already that you don't have to do that, but any more juice is going to just add to the tenderness and the glaze that's going to form on top, because during this last hour you're going to smoke them, but you're going to leave the foil open as they smoke, so you get like this really nice texture, a chewy kind of bark to the outside. That's why adding a little bit more barbecue sauce is such a good idea. All right, these are the 321 St. Louis ribs. You can print out the recipe at sipbitego.com, and make sure to sign up for my Foodie Fridays email list if you love easy smoker recipes and weeknight meals. I have so many tasty things coming your way. Delicious.